Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good week, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We'll talk about everything you need to know, or at least I'll try to talk about everything you need to know. We'll do a full review of the fundamentals, technicals, what to expect, what's most likely, etc. All right. Most of you know the deal. Today, first of all, to start off with that, there's no major economic news or anything, such as last week with the unemployment rate, nothing like that. But still, I do expect a lot of volatility. Friday in general is a day where you have a lot of volatility. And then especially after a day like this, or after a week like this, when we've had a lot of movement, a lot of momentum, and a lot of volume, it is likely that we will see that volatility again today. And it is going to be very important whether that's going to be bullish or bearish for the next couple of weeks at the very least. So that's what we talk about. And outside of the fact that there's no major economic news at this point of time, there are major economic fundamental developments, which are looking quite bullish. All right, if we look at the technical structure here for Bitcoin, it's bullish as well, even though I'm getting a little bit more worried, but more about that a bit later. But if we look at the S&P 500, also as expected, by the way, if you watched my video yesterday, is continuously bullish. It's getting up to the top right here. The pre-market has opened bullish again. And if the S&P 500 is able to break this resistance level at the all-time high, then we're in price discovery mode again, which is going to be very bullish for stocks, of course, but that historically is also bullish for Bitcoin. And a lot of that is driven by the fact that the dollar strength index is weak again. And the dollar strength index is nearing that 100 level. And as you can see, it's at a major support level. If we're unable to hold this support, the dollar strength index is going to turn into a downtrend, which historically, if we look back at the last downtrend for the dollar strength index, that ended when we topped, or not when we topped, but when we kind of hit the bull market in 2021. So that's very interesting. Just in general, a bearish dollar strength index is going to be very, very bullish for capital markets. I will probably still make a full video on this a little bit later today, but this is very interesting. Like if this breaks down, that's super bullish. And Bitcoin itself, like I said, so those fundamental developments look quite bullish. Stocks are strong, dollar strength index is weak, all probably in anticipation of the interest rates coming next week. But then we look at the structure for Bitcoin, which is evidently on the 4-hour time frame, and I would even go as far as saying that on the 12-hour time frame we're slightly turning bullish as well. This is bullish. However, I have seen quite often in the past where if you stall for too long, and we have been stalling quite a bit here, if you do this for too long and we don't push through, so right now the main resistance level we have to push through is 58,500 to 58,700. Like if we don't break that today or tomorrow, we will see a bigger waterfall into 56 at the very least again, with the potential of even revisiting 54 here. So that is definitely something to be afraid of. Right now, given the fundamental situation, and also given the activity that we've seen and just in general more bullish momentum kick in, I would say it's most likely. Like this morning, you also saw a big influx of momentum, of volume, and that has been mostly bullish. Right, so I am still bullish on Bitcoin right now with what we're seeing from the fundamentals, the momentum, but also the technical structure. But I do want you to be slightly careful, right? If we break down below 57,000 here, I will probably close my long positions and I will probably switch my bias to be a little bit more bearish. So know that, all right? Be mindful of that. For now, I would still say it's most likely we will eventually break out and rally up to that next price target right here at 61,000. So that's what I think is most likely. If that does not happen, I was wrong, but I still want you to be prepared for the scenario that I'm wrong. Because we are stalling a bit here, and that's not bullish, outside of all the other factors that are bullish. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for today. Like I said, I'll probably still make some sort of a new video on the dollar strength index situation later today. But that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.